one thing, man, this motherfucker crazy. This motherfucker got this new shit in the car, and I be damn, he gonna keep riding me with this bullshit. What it do, gang, man? Back at it again with another video. Hey, if you just now tuned in, go ahead and hit the subscribe button right now. Smash that like button right now. Hit the subscribe button right now. Smash that like button right now. Stop what you're doing. Smash the like button. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't. You did it? You ready? All right. But yeah, man, so today's video, man, hey, got a package, dog. So I already kind of like opening it already. So like y'all kind of like, I kind of like already know what it is. But if you know what this means, no, this ain't body armor. I didn't order a plate to go on my body armor. But nah, man, you know what I'm saying? Bam, you dig what I'm saying? Y'all already know what I'm talking about, man. Y'all already know what it is, man. Legmaker, you know what I'm saying? Unpopular opinions. It's probably one of the best cold air intakes, they say. Between Legmaker and JLT, bro. I had a JLT on my scat pack. People say you really can't tell the difference unless you get a tune or you dyno it. But, you know, to me, my personal opinion, I just feel more throttle response. Now, with the Hellcats, man, with the Legmakers gonna increase the sound of that whine tremendously. For real, for real. You know what I'm saying? But I was also reading, you know, they say these guaranteed to give you 18 to 22 horsepower. You know what I'm saying? Plus, they come, well, I'll get to that part when I unbox it. But look though, 18 to 22 horsepower, and it was tested by Diablo. And another thing, I went on and threw a Diablo tuner in my Hellcat. And I'm not gonna do an install video or nothing like that because I already did it on my last video when I did it in the scat pack. And it's the same exact thing. Swap the PCM, load the tune. Only thing is this time I got the trendy, but I'll show y'all that when I go outside. So it actually has an option on there when you load the tune. I did a 93 octane tune, and it also has the option where you can do the 93 octane tune, but it has a Legmaker intake 93 octane tune. So it's giving me a 93 tune, but it's also tuning my Legmaker intake as well. So we're gonna see the performance gains on that. So that's the shield, man. Paper. Alright. This right here, my boy. Yes, sir. Yes, sirski. You can tell that's fresh. That's fresh, man. The water was similar to the water. It's probably about 4 behind, and I feel that's it. Hold you over long. Just for the prefit, the intake can be used as example that word. I was just paying close attention to water, get attention. Alright, cool. Alright, anyway, well, man, you know, carbon fiber tube, man. This is the carbon fiber tube, and by this being made out of carbon fiber, it's gonna block out a lot of heat. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna block out the heat, man. So no heat. That's a big old tube, bro. Like I can put my arm in that joint. Like look at that, bro. That's how big this tube is. Anyway, that's some pretty nice stuff. Too. You feel me? But anyway, yeah, man. So that's that. Who texted me, man? Alright, man, back to the video, my bad, man, you know what I'm saying? But then again, you know what I'm saying, you got your little holders and your clamps and, you know what I'm saying, you got your decals and whatnot, you know. Let me just open this bad boy up with. I'm from the country, man, so I'm just gonna got doggone use my, I'm not even got time for it, hold on. Well, I already got started. Never mind. All right, boom, bam. Thank you, man. Ooh, I'm so corny, bro. Shut up. All right, some more decal stickers, man. Some more decal stickers. Oh, they gave me the blue joint. I thought they was gonna see me the black joint, man, but that's cool. I ain't tripping. Look at that big old intake. I mean, filter. I cannot wait to hear the whine from this thing, bro. I cannot wait to hear the whine from this thing. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yes, sir. So, man, that's what it is, man. Legmaker, man, for the win. So, I'm gonna go ahead and install this on the car. But meanwhile, I got to cook some breakfast for us real quick, bro, because the missus getting a little hungry. You know, she get hungry. You know, when females get hungry, bro, they get a little angry. You know what I'm saying? So, I'm go ahead and Chef Homeboy I did real quick. You know what I mean? And then I'll get back to y'all and do this install video. So, you know, with that being said, man, y'all just stay tuned. You feel? Alright, gang, so first thing first, man, we got to get this stock airbox off, man. This is kind of, well, it legit is the same thing like if you was taking one out the Scat Pack, man, or 392. Only thing is, by you having a supercharger, you know what I'm saying, it's gonna require a couple more connections to come loose. So we got 3 connections. We got one plug right here on the stock airbox, and then we got 2 right here that's going into the stock airbox as well. So that's just, see, all this do is just, you know, loosen that up, and those should come right out. Boom. Squeeze this, and then wiggle that off. Let's see. That was a little snug. Hold on, man. This one, hold on, I need both hands. Just hold on. All right, so now that you got all the connections loose, on this little piece right here, just be careful with this, but you just want to wiggle it out and pull it on out if you can. You're gonna need this to put on the, just be real gentle with it, because you don't want to break it, man. So just like I said, wiggle it out a little bit, kind of, there you go. It's like a little swivel, man. So get that out of there. And then of course, you got, well, really you can just loosen this one because this is the only one that's on the throttle body. And then just take this bolt right here from the frame of the car, and then it should come right on out. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And just like that, man, the stock airbox is out. Be careful, you don't want them to go right there inside the throttle body. Now I'm gonna say this one time, man. It's the first and last time I'm popping my hood on camera. You know what I'm saying? You know, got a couple people that watch my channel, man, that, you know, want to try me a couple times. So, you know, can't let them see all the goodies, but, you know, everybody get a cold air intake, man. So, it ain't nothing major, man. But, yeah. Enjoy it while you see it, man. Cause like I said, it's the last time y'all gonna see Coco with a hood up. So, get a good view. Cause that's it, you know what I'm saying? But now, man, I'm going ahead and get the new one out the box. You know what I'm saying? Go ahead and get that. I need to wash the white truck, man. Her truck nasty. You know what I'm saying? But, you know, all these, I don't know, man. Some of these bugs, bro. The black look good when it's washed though, but I'll wash her car later, man. But anyway, let me go and get this on, man. So I forgot to mention, so all right, this is the stock airbox. So depending on what year you have, then it'll determine what plug this is that come on the stock airbox. But just make sure you order a Legmaker, you know what I'm saying? You're gonna have to put in what year your car is. And these are gonna be 2 Allen screws to get this off. But depending on what year your car is, this is gonna be different. All of them are not the same. I made that mistake before. So if you got a certain year or whatever, just take this off and then swap it on here. 15 through 16 is made like this. This is 16. And then 17 and 18 is made on like a little tube or whatever. So yeah, so depending on what year you got, these gonna be different. So make sure when you go on Legmaker, you put the right year of the car in, because whatever year your car is, this was gonna be on the stock airbox. And the tube gonna be made accordingly. And you got to swap those 2 parts. So if you got a 16, you can't order an 18, and 18 vice versa, 2021, same, but just make sure you put the right year in. All right, now I haven't finished all the way yet, but right real quick before I do that. So your Legmaker gonna come with this little filter cover. You don't have to put this on there, but I would suggest you do, because this protects your filter from dirt, debris, moisture, rain, dirt, all that junk. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna put mine on mine. But again, you don't have to, but I highly recommend it. And it just slipped right on over there. Ladies and gentlemen, the Legmaker install is complete, man. So like I said, you know, you're gonna make sure you tighten all these bolts down real good. Now, one thing about this, this is hardened, well, this is like hardened plastic, carbon fiber. So you don't wanna snug these, man, because, you know, even though it's hardened plastic, it's like super hard, pause, but it still maybe can crack, I don't know. But all you gotta do is, man, just make sure it's secure enough to the point that if there's so much air coming through this tube, it won't get loose. So, you know what I'm saying, you ain't got to snug them down, but just make sure they're real tight, man. And of course, you just make your connections back again, 1, 2, 3. And I put my little, you can't see it, but I put my little cover over my filter, screwed that down. It's pretty tight, you know what I'm saying, all the way over there. Now, I know some people get weather stripping and put around there, you know what I'm saying, but yeah, I ain't got none, so whatever, man. So I'm finna go ahead and start this bad boy up, and we're gonna see what that wine talk about, you know what I'm saying, make sure we ain't got no check engine lights or nothing like that. So let's go ahead and do it, man. All right, man, so I got Pops with me, man. All right, I'm finna test out this new intake, man, you know what I'm saying, and let y'all hear.
God damn.
I got all that on camera.
What the fuck you don't? Motherfucking little ass car.
Excuse this language, y'all. Alright, gang, y'all listen to this wine, man. Hold on, man, hold on. I know y'all hear that. Oh, that joint sounds so good, dog. Don't it sound good?
It's alright.
Tell you, man, leave them Fords alone, gonna get you a Dodge now. Let's see what the downshift talking about. Y'all hit on popcorn. Ooh, yes, sir. Alright, I'm gonna stop it right here so I got in the neighborhood, because folks already looking crazy. Hey, man, y'all gotta hear this wine, man. Hold on. Hold on. I know you can hear that. I know y'all heard that. Oh my God. Yes, sir. You like that, don't you? He like that. He trying to like he don't like it, y'all.
I'ma tell you one thing, man. This motherfucker crazy. This motherfucker got this new shit in the car, and I'll be damned if he gonna keep riding me with this bullshit. He gonna get fucked up. I'll tell you something, boy. You can do something, police get behind you, you on your motherfucker own.
You gonna do me like that?
You goddamn right. Fuck that bullshit. I ain't going to jail for your punk ass, man. Motherfucker, I'm tired. I got a headache. Motherfucker, I'm hungry. Your mama getting on my motherfucking nerves. Shit. Sick of this shit. Slow this motherfucker down.
Man, get my camera, man.